Is there something that you should absolutely not do if you're stopped by a police officer?
You should never move around inside the vehicle.
Okay.
Officers need to see, they want to see who's in the vehicle, and they want to see their hands.
Okay.
So if it's someone that's in the back seat, their hands can go up by the headrest. The driver can go on the steering wheel. A passenger can go on the dash. They want to see hands.
Okay. What rights do drivers or passengers have when they're being pulled over? Can someone go to a well-lit parking lot if they're alone in the evening or something like that? Or I don't know what else may be an option for drivers' rights that people should be aware of, that they have rights.
Well, and yes, we do have that from time to time. I mean, there are people out there that impersonate, and you've probably heard of those in the past, that they pretend to be the police officer. So sometimes when we have things like that, we will notice more, especially female drivers that want to pull to a lit area. And fortunately, in the campus area and the streets adjoining, we have lots of businesses, well-lit parking lots, things like that, where they can get to. Now, if you're on the interstate, I wouldn't try to drive to the next exit because that's probably going to look like you're trying to get away from them. So, I mean, I would pull over and just wait for further instruction. Maybe when the officer gets up there, explain to him, I don't feel comfortable out here. Can we go to the next exit or something like that? But.
Okay.
Those are professionals, and they do the job all the time.
Okay.
So we also have laws that protect the officers in the state where you have to merge away. So really, it's not as unsafe as it used to be for officers. Once you see the lights, you need to pull. If you're on say you're on the interstate and a car's pulled over, there's a police car behind them. You need to get over as far as you possibly can to pass.
Okay.
To pass that vehicle.
So you give them an extra lane.
Yes.
Okay. For their safety?
Yes.
Okay. And can I give a police officer money so that I don't get a ticket?
Never.
Never?
Don't even offer money. That's considered a bribe. That's actually a separate charge that you're probably going to be jailed on.
You can go to jail for that?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
So in addition to speeding, someone could also go to jail for offering money?
Correct.
Okay. So
Yes.
definitely not.
Don't
offer
do that
here.
any money, favors, anything of any kind. The way the system is here in the United States, if you're issued a citation, you're also given a court date, and you can go to court. You can go before that court date, talk to the prosecutor. If there's some kind of deal that needs to be made, whether it's a first offense and you get in a first offender program or something like that, you can do that through the courts. That's never done at the street level.
Okay. That's good to know. And do you think there's any other additional information that international students in particular need to know about being pulled over?
I would just say, be careful, and don't go moving around when a police car pulls in behind you. Don't panic. Don't slam on the brakes when you see a police car, even if they don't have their lights on. That's one of the things that sometimes we do see, where. And it's not just international students, it's everybody. They look in the rearview mirror and they see a police car and automatically the brake lights are tapped. So don't do that. That can cause an accident and cause someone to get hurt.
Okay. All right. Well, thank you so much for your time and all of this information. It's very helpful.